Web navigators, hello and welcome to PC Tricks and Tips. The new version of Microsoft is now available called 24H2. However, for some PC owners it will once again become very complicated to reinstall or update. But don't panic, once again it will still be possible to bypass the restriction imposed by Microsoft. Let's go! Before any modification, make a backup of your system with the Windows tool. It's simple and fast. You can perform multiple system backups with different software, okay? That's done. Let's move on to setting up Windows 24H2. The example here, it's about my MSI laptop, which dates back to 2016. I'm gonna use the Rufus software to download the ISO file first. I click on the small arrow to open the drop-down menu, and I choose download, and I click on download, follow the process. I'm going to do a test with the file without bypasser. PC doesn't support the TPM chip well. I'll try the second option of the Rufus software. I'm going to create a bypass installation key. It's done. Let's move on to the test. It still doesn't work. I click again on the file to emulate an optical drive. You have to remember the letter that will be assigned to your drive. In my case, it's HF for you, it may be another letter. Click on the search icon or type in the search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Indicate the letter followed by a colon, then validate with the Enter key. We will bypass the installation or update by using the server version. Indicate the following command line: setup space / product space server. Then validate with the Enter key. Installation process starts. It is important for the rest to select Not Now to have the installation choice. Click on Next. Then next here you can make your choice, select what you want, then click on Next. This will take 2 to 5 minutes. A window appears in what will be installed. Click on Install. In my case, it's an update. Depending on the configuration of your PC, it will be more or less long. The update runs correctly. That's it, it's done. I open the search type WinVer. Understand by Windows version. We are indeed in version 24H2 in the settings too. And it is well activated. Here is another Windows update 23H2 to 24H2A desktop PC. From 2017 we are indeed on a 23H2 version. This time I'm going to download the ISO file via the Microsoft Sitesy link indicated in the description. You be like in this case, or the file is not automatically recognized and opened with the application for this ISO file. Select Windows Explorer and I do as previously performed. We check with WinVer. Let's move on to the installation of the updates installation error. Don't panic. Click on the link that will be indicated in the description. You will have to choose for a desktop PC x64 system. Click on download. You will have to click on the two links to download the two proposed updates. You will be asked to restart your PC. We can see that we are indeed in Windows version 24.8. We will update the Windows Update information. From now on, your next updates will be done correctly. Here is an update of another desktop PC. From 2009, however, this one it had been a while since I had done the Windows updates. It is well in 21H2 and activated, so you will see that there will be no worries to go. From version 21H2 to 24H2, that's it, it's done. We will check the version that was installed. We are well in 24H2 and activated, and with WinVer we do a verification of the updates. Again, it's stuck, but no problem. I have the updates that are already downloaded. I installed and I restart the PC. Another update is proposed. Installation carried out and successful. You have seen it is not very complicated to perform an up or reinstallation of Windows. This information video you liked it, I tell you soon in the next video.